I'm at 2179 Edgewood. We are in Cleveland Heights, and this is the Cedar Lee district. So we are literally a block away from Cedar Lee. Cedar Lee's got theater, it's got drugstores, shops, restaurants, bars, all that stuff. So great location. We are trying to get a look at the roof here. Roof looks good. So we are also just up the hill from the Cleveland Clinic, University Hospitals, University Circle, Case Western Reserve, all that. So well located. It's wood-sided. Chimney looks good. Original windows, so it's got wood windows. Paint looks like it's in good shape. Gutters look good. Two-car garage is in good shape. I can't figure out the door though. The garage door won't come down for whatever reason. So we do have a couple of AC units here. This one looks a little newer than that one. Lennox is a great brand. Little yard. I'll take you in the front because I think that's the best way to do it. Get more of the neighborhood here. Got a rhododendron getting ready to bloom. Got a big crack right here. Hardwood floors throughout except the third floor, which you'll see. I think they're just painted up there. So we're in the bottom unit. It's two family. I haven't already said that. Living room, natural woodwork. The wood floors. You got the fireplace. This is awesome here. So you got these French doors leading to this porch. You can open them up and get breeze through here. Got the porch swing. This is pretty sweet. Then we head to the dining room, large, obviously hardwood floors. We got the built-ins, kitchen, got some cool ceramic tile, oak cabinets, dishwasher, and a bonus. So you're gonna see the upstairs kitchen is gonna be a little bit different because that's gonna be a door. Bedrooms are over here. Bedroom one. Again, we've got the built-ins. Bathroom. This is vinyl flooring in here. Bedroom two. This has a closet and it has a sunroom. So this would be a great office or whatever, sitting room. Lots of light. It's great. Let's go head upstairs. It's a grand two family. So now we're heading into unit two. Everything's gonna look pretty familiar. But again, we got the same situation here with these French doors. This has got a wood floor on it here. Different than downstairs. I guess that was wood too, but looks different. Light flooding into the dining room here. So looks like they painted. I think it's probably the same cabinets, but they painted them. So we've got basically the same setup, except like I said, there's a door there instead of more cabinets. Bathroom, some kind of laminate flooring in here. Updated toilet. Bedroom. Built-ins, bedroom, and the paneled sunroom. Paneled and drop ceiling. So now we're going to the bonus space in the third floor. So I think it's a great opportunity for like an owner occupant because there's all this space up here. So if you want to, live upstairs and then utilize all this space too, you can just have a really nice big house and still have the rental income from downstairs. So, I don't know if there was a kitchen up here. Maybe it was used as a rental at one point, but generally cities don't like, like these third floor units. They want them to have, you got to have a fire escape or some way to get out in an emergency. We're gonna head down to the basement. So when we go down there, we're gonna see a little bit of water. The hot water tank was turned up really high, and the leg was the pressure relief valve is releasing water, so that's why we got this water on the floor. I thought the tank was bad, but it does not appear to be. I've got some updated boxes. It's a mix of wiring. It looks like can't really see because it's in conduit, which is good. Your hot water tanks. These are not that old. Let's shed some light on the situation here. These are, like I said, they're not that old. Everything else is dry down here. It's kind of unfortunate that happened. There was a sump pump, and that's it.